Hello everyone, David Falla here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a topic that is very close to the hearts of many men out there. I'm talking about shaving irritation. But what about those of us with coarse curly hair? We often have to sacrifice comfort for closeness, leading to a host of skin issues like razor bumps and ingrowing hairs. Now, this isn't just a problem for a few men. Actually, it's a problem that many men never talk about because we've been told that because of a skin type, because of the type of hair that we have, using traditional razors is just not a good idea. And every time we try doing it, we pay the price, we get ingrowing hairs, we get irritation. The next day, we don't know what to do with skin. It looks awful, it hurts. So I understand because I've been in that position many times. So because I get so many messages and questions about how to shave, skincare, then I decided to make this video to show you guys my new shaving routine, the products that I use and how they can benefit you because they have definitely benefited me. The first step that I take on my shaving routine is to make sure my face and my beard are fully clean. I like to use a product that it was designed for sensitive skin, and it's important that you clean your face and your beard very well before shaving because you want to give your skin the best chance to avoid irritation, and that starts with cleaning your face. If your face is dirty, your skin is dirty, you are not going to have the best shave and you are going to be prone to get more irritation. So I like to use a product that was designed especially for people with sensitive skin. The one that I recommend is the one that I use. I love this product. This is the Daily Cleansing Face Scrub. This is by Gillette SkinGuard. It's for sensitive skin, and I love because it does really help with razor bumps and ingrowing hairs. This product cleanses and hydrates the skin to create a clean and smooth surface for shaving and prevents razor bumps. The second step is to make sure to use a good product for shaving. A product is going to lubricate the skin before you use the razor. As a professional barber, I tell this to all my clients, please stop shaving your face dry. It's not a good idea. You're making your face look worse. You're creating the irritation, the bumps, the razor bumps, all that stuff that you don't want because you're not applying a good product or you're not using any product at all. Some people think water is enough and it's not enough. You need a good product, especially if you have sensitive skin. So the one that I use on myself and the one that I recommend on my clients with sensitive skin, and now I'm gonna recommend it to you, is this one. This product helps prevent shaving irritation, razor bumps, and ingrowing hairs. This is the one that I use. I honestly love this product. Some of the products that I have used before, sometimes it will irritate my skin, but this one honestly has been great on my skin. And also some of the feedback that I've gotten from clients is exactly the same. Step 3, we obviously gonna talk about the razor, right? This razor has literally changed the game, how I said, because before this razor, I could never use a razor. I gotta be honest, every time I tried, because I needed to go somewhere, I needed to look more presentable, I would regret it so much the day after. So after this razor was introduced, honestly, that's what I use. That's what I recommend my clients. This razor has an irritation defense bar that allows the blade to remove the hair while barely touching the skin to help protect against shave irritation. This razor minimizes the chance that hair will become trapped in the first place. How I said, for me, this razor has been a game changer. If I'm going to shave my beard off, this is what I'm gonna use for a clean shave. If I'm going to just retouch the beard line on the top and the neckline, this is exactly what I will use. So if you have sensitive skin, you're gonna love this one. And for my last step, step 4 of my shaving routine, after I shave, I have to use a product that's going to rehydrate and moisturize my skin, and one that was obviously designed for sensitive skin. So this is the one that I use. This is the Skin Restoring Moisturizer with shea butter and vitamin E. This product is great because it helps get back moisture to the skin that was lost during exfoliating and shaving. It's necessary for it to help repair itself, minimizing discomfort. So your skin will really appreciate this product. When I use it, it's honestly amazing. My skin feels great. Even my wife, when she touches my face, she's like, wow, this feels so soft and very good, and she doesn't see any of the razor bumps or any of that I used to get before. And that's it for the video, guys. I'm going to leave all the steps in the description of the video with links so you guys can get the products as well. And if this video was useful, don't forget to subscribe and like it, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.